How I scaled to 10 plus rental units in 6 months. Zero money down strategy. Rocket. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to reveal how I scaled my rental portfolio from 1 measly unit to over 10 in just 6 months. And the craziest part? I did it all with virtually zero money down. That's right, zero. I used to think scaling in real estate required mountains of cash. But then I discovered 3 game-changing loopholes that completely changed the game. Most investors get stuck at 2 or 3 units. They hit a wall, thinking they need to save up a fortune for each new property. But that's simply not true. They're missing the system hacks that unlock rapid growth. I'm talking about strategies that let you leverage other people's resources and automate the entire process. The first secret is learning how to use OPM, other people's money, to fund your deals. Forget about draining your savings account. There are ways to acquire properties without putting up a dime of your own cash. This is about creative financing and finding opportunities where you can leverage existing assets or partnerships. It's about thinking outside the box and getting resourceful. Next up is the portfolio loan trick. This is something banks rarely advertise, but it's a powerful tool for scaling your rental business. Portfolio loans allow you to finance multiple properties under a single loan. This simplifies the process and often comes with more favorable terms than individual mortgages. Finally, you need to automate your property management. I only spend about 1 hour per week managing my entire portfolio. How? With the right software and systems. There are incredible apps out there that handle everything from tenant screening to rent collection. Automation frees up your time to focus on acquiring more properties and growing your wealth. Last month, my 10 rental units brought in a staggering $23,000 in revenue. And here's the kicker. I didn't even pick up the phone. Everything was handled automatically. Imagine generating that kind of passive income while barely lifting a finger. That's the power of these strategies. Ready to take your rental portfolio to the next level? Drop a money bag in the comments if you want my free scale to 10 units PDF blueprint. This blueprint outlines every step of the process, from finding deals to securing financing to automating your management. It's the exact system I use to achieve rapid growth. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Tomorrow, I'll be DMing my exact lender contacts to a few lucky subscribers. These are the lenders who specialize in portfolio loans and creative financing. They're the key to unlocking your scaling potential. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my next video, How to Retire in 2 Years with 15 Units. We'll dive even deeper into advanced strategies for building passive income and achieving financial freedom through real estate. See you there.